What is the Metaverse and the Web 3.0? In this video, we will explore in detail. Recently, as everybody knows, Facebook changed their name to Meta or Metaverse. This has sparked a whole new interest in this concept for many people. But is Mark a little bit too late? Last week, Mark Zuckerberg had an interview with Gary Vee, and he explained in detail his vision for the Metaverse and the Web 3.0. But first, let's explore what is the Metaverse. It is a combination of the words meta and universe, and it is a new version of the internet that supports persistent online 3D virtual environments via traditional computing as well as virtual and augmented reality headsets. To some extent, metaverses already exist in games such as Axie Infinity. The metaverse is a way of creating immersive digital settings for a variety of human activities. Some metaverses interactions require the integration of virtual and physical spaces as well as virtual economies. This is super important because part of this new economy is already happening with NFTs. A huge example of this is Axie Infinity Metaverse, where players play to earn crypto. But now let's go back to the term metaverse. The term was first coined by writer Neil Stephenson in his 1992 novel Snow Crash, where he established a vision of a computer-generated universe. Now, Zuckerberg said that meta comes from the Greek word beyond, and he's actually right. Etymologically, meta means after in Greek, so metaverse also implies a world or conception that requires the real world in order to move beyond and acknowledge another realm. So Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is ongoingly working on building and improving our digital social experiences, as referred by Mark Zuckerberg. This follows the natural evolution of the web, from its beginning with only text web, to then pictures with the birth of smartphones, and now where we are, where video catches most of our attention, and it is the primary way we share experiences. Now, the natural progression and evolution of this is the next frontier: holograms, virtual reality, and augmented reality. This will definitely be much more immersive. We will be able to interact with our friends and peers in a virtual environment where we can actually feel that we are there. I don't know about you guys, but to me, this sounds like Back to the Future. Now, right now, the technology that we have available in Quest 2, for example, we could find games and apps where fitness is one of the most popular categories. You can put your Quest 2 headset on and you can work out and sweat as much as you want. But Mark Zuckerberg's metaverse is not the only one. Actually, he was a bit too late on the race. As we speak, there are about 60 million metaverse projects ongoing just in 2021. And there are many other huge companies, such as the Chinese tech company Tencent, the largest gaming company in the world. Tencent already has 3.5 billion players in their multiple metaverses gaming experiences. Also, in the top 5 metaverses, we have Microsoft with their 600 million players in their hit Minecraft. So it looks like there won't be a single company owning the metaverse. It is more likely that there will be, and actually there are many different metaverses that are all being used and will be used by different users and interfaces all around the world. But the real question is, how are we going to be able to make money with the metaverse? And the answer is crypto economy, a concept that is already widely known and accepted. In many of the already existing metaverses, it is possible to play to earn cryptocurrency, and now with NFTs, the possibilities are even bigger. It definitely feels as if we are witnessing the birth of a whole new virtual experience. And the best part of it is that we're going to be able to monetize it. In upcoming videos in this channel, I will be showing you the hottest trends of how to make money in the metaverse. Stay tuned, don't miss any of my videos, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll get an alert every time we have a new money making video. And until next time, guys, apology here, so long.